Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your ClearScore account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in clearscore.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official ClearScore website. Now if you haven't already logged into your account, you will see the login button at the top right corner. So click on the login button and you will be taken into the login portal. Now, once you're inside the login portal, you will be asked to enter your credentials in order to log into your account. So start with typing your email address that you used to sign up, and then underneath within the password box, type in your account password. In case you have forgotten this, you can always click on Forgot Password to reset your password. Now click on the login button, and this will log you in to your account on ClearScore. Now, as soon as you're logged in, you will find your account name at the top right corner. Just click on your profile icon, and underneath the login button, you will find the delete account option. Go ahead and click on this and you will be shown a warning that you will not be able to recover your account in the future after you delete this. In order to proceed forward, click on the toggle which says confirm account deletion and then click on the delete account button. You might be asked to enter your password one final time for confirmation, and you may also be asked to enter the verification code that has been sent to your email. After fulfilling both of these criteria, your account will be scheduled for deletion. And once you delete your account, if you wish to use ClearScore again in the future, you will need to create a brand new account. And there you have it. That is how you can go about if you wish to delete your account on ClearScore. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.